There is nothing quite like the sparkle of the sun on water to make a backyard feel like a sanctuary. But let's be honest, a naked concrete deck or a lonely pool edge can feel a bit sterile. We want that resort-style lushness, that feeling of stepping into a private oasis. But when we talk about poolside planting, we have to be practical. You want the beauty of the tropics without the constant headache of cleaning leaves out of your pool filters. The goal is to find clean plants, those that hold onto their foliage and can withstand the intense heat reflecting off the water. One of the biggest challenges I see is the unsightly wall syndrome. Many pools leave concrete retaining walls that feel cold. A brilliant solution is to build a raised planter against that wall. Here, you want plants that look like they belong near the water. I highly recommend the foxtail fern. Its long, upright stems look like soft green plumes, giving a wonderful underwater texture. To add dramatic height, pair it with the Tropicana cana. These are absolute showstoppers, with massive orange, burgundy, and green-striped leaves reaching 4 feet tall, giving you a lush tropical screen without the mess of a palm tree. Add a Dracaena palm for a
Dracaena
clean,
is one of
upright
the most
anchor
common
that looks
plants
incredibly
indoors due to its
sophisticated
beauty.
in a ceramic pot.
The optimal
Now,
time for
if you prefer the
propagation.
natural swimming hole vibe, keep the landscape loose and airy. Soften your rock work with ornamental grasses. Blonde Ambition grama grass is a rugged native, while maiden grass offers silvery plumes that turn a beautiful bronze. These grasses provide movement. They dance in the breeze, making the whole patio actually feel cooler. And don't forget the pollinators. Hummingbird mint thrives here. Its burgundy rose flowers attract hummingbirds right to your poolside chair, and the foliage smells just like licorice. If your pool overlooks a beautiful vista, whatever you do, don't block it. Use cool colors to draw the eye outward. Munstead lavender is a tough-as-nails evergreen shrub that provides classic fragrance. Pair it with harlequin pink penstemon and Carl Forster feather reed grass, which stays narrow and turns a rich golden tan all winter. And yes, you can even snack from your poolside garden. Plant ever-bearing seascape strawberries in pots so you can snack all summer long. If space is tight, look for the fignamental fig. It's a miniature marvel that only grows 2 feet tall, but produces delicious, full-sized figs. You can even grow a Honeycrisp apple in a large tub for crisp fall fruit. By choosing the right plants, you can turn that backyard splash pad into a vibrant, living resort. Join us for our free gardening classes every Saturday at 9:30 a.m., including our Poolside Paradise class on July 25th. See you at Waters Garden Center.